Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths with me. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. And also hit the bell icon for more videos. Now I am going to start with the exercise 1.4, which is optional, but still I am going to solve it because even if such type of questions are asked, you should be able to solve. So let's start with the problem number 1. The sum of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms of AP. Okay, what things are given? The sum of third and seventh term. Third in the sense A3, 7 in the sense A7. Now they have said sum, so I have written A3 plus A7 is equals to 6. They have said sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6. So A3, sum in the sense addition. So A3 plus A7 is equals to 6. And their product is 8. That means product of these two is 8. That means I am going to write it here. A3 into A7 which is equals to 8. Product in the sense multiplication. Okay, so let me solve these terms to the side and then substitute here. Okay, so let me find A3, that is the third term. So for this I am going to write the formula as, I am going to solve A3, so I am going to write it as AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula already you know. So in place of AN I am going to write A3 which is equals to, A is not given, plus N is what now? 3. So 3 minus 1 into D. So A3 value will be how much? A plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2D. Okay, A3 we have got 2D, substitute here, A plus 2D. So I am going to write it as 8 plus 2D. Then this plus as it is. Now next is A7. So A7 is equals to how much? So I am going to write it as, again same formula. So I am going to substitute in place of N 7. Okay, so it is A7 now. A7 is equals to this A plus, then N is nothing but 7 minus 1 and D is not given, keep it as it is. So it is A7 is equals to A plus 7 minus 1 is 6. So A7 value is A plus 60. So I am going to substitute here A plus 6D which is equals to 6. Now this A and this A you add. So what you will get? A plus A will be 2A plus, since this whole term is in addition, so I am going to take here plus 2D plus 6D will be 8D which is equals to 6. Now I am going to divide this throughout by 2 because all are divisible by 2. So divide by 2. So 2A by 2 plus 8D by 2 which is equals to 6 by 2. Okay, dividing throughout this equation by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Now what remains here? Here remains A plus, this is 4D which is equals to 3. Now I will take the equation of A, that I am going to keep A as it is which is equals to 3 minus 4D. See, this 4D I am shifting here, 3 as it is. So it will become minus 4D. So this I am going to denote it as equation 1 because I am going to use it further for further calculation. Now this was regarding A3 plus A7, that was sum. Now I am going to solve the value for product. Okay, so this how I am going to write it as. Now A3 value, see, A3 value will remain A plus 2D and A7 value will remain what? A plus 60. Okay, see, these two values I am already having, A3 and A7. So this I am going to substitute in the product. Okay, so let me take this. So A3 into A7, which is equals to 8. This part I am taking, product part. So A3 value I have got A plus 2D. So write here A plus 2D into A7 is A plus 60. A plus 60. Values I am substituting, which is equals to this 8 as it is. Okay. Now I am going to write the given terms once again, that is A plus 2D, A plus 6D, which is equals to 8. And I have got the value of A as A is equals to 3 minus 4D, which is equation number 1. Now what I am going to do, I am going to substitute the value of A here, okay, in place of A. So A is 3 minus 4D, so substitute here. So it is 3 minus 4D and this 2D as it is. And here 3 minus 4D plus 60, which is equals to 8. Both the sides I have substituted the value of A. Now calculate this now. It is minus 4D plus 2D. So minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2. 3 minus 2D. Why it is negative? Because greater number sign is negative. 4 is greater. And here minus 4D plus 60 is 3 plus 2D, which is equals to 8. Because greater number sign is positive. 6 is positive here. Now it is in the form of A plus B and A minus B. See, we have a formula A plus B and A minus B, which can be written as A square minus B square. Okay, which can be written as A square minus B square. So here it is like A, B, A, B. So it is like A minus B and A plus B. So it is like A plus B and A minus B form. So I am going to write it in this form. It is A square minus B square. A square means it will be 3 square. Minus B square is here, it is 2D. So 2D square, which is equals to 8. Now 3 square is 9 minus 2D square is how much? 2 square is 4D square, which is equals to 8. Now minus 4D square I am going to keep it as it is, which is equals to 8. This 9 I am going to shift here. It is positive, it will become negative. So minus 4D square, which is equals to 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Okay. Both the side negative, it will get cancelled. So what will be the value of D square now? D square is equals to this 1 divided by 4. This will get shifted in the denominator. Then D will be how much? Okay. Now see, D square is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 the whole square. Why? Because when you multiply this square to this bracket, 1 square will be 1 only, 2 square will be 4. So 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 square, 2 the whole square. Why I am doing this? Because I am going to cancel these both squares. So what is the value of D? D is 1 by 2. Okay, I have got the common difference value as 1 by 2. Now what I am going to do is, this I am going to substitute in the equation 1. Okay, so substitute D is equals to 1 by 2 in equation number 1. And equation number 1 is nothing but A is equals to 3 minus 4D. So let me take the equation number 1 here. A is equals to 3 minus 4D. This is the equation 1. So I am going to write it in the bracket equation 1. So for easy understanding. Okay. Now A is equals to 3 as it is minus 4. Value of D is 1 by 2. Then simplify this. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. So A is equals to this 3 minus this 2. After simplification we have got the 2 here. So 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So the value of A is 1. We have got the common difference value 1 by 2 and the first term as 1. Now according to the question, what they have said, we need to find the sum to 16 terms of NIPI. Sum to 16 terms in the sense we need to find S16. Sum to 16 terms. So S16 we need to find. And N here it is 16. Okay. To find S16, I am going to write Sn formula, which is Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn is nothing but S16, which is equals to 16 by 2, because n is 16, 2 into the value of a we have got it as 1 and d is what? 1 by 2. So substitute these values here. So a is 1 plus n is 16 minus 1 and d is 1 by 2. So S16 is equals to, now I am going to simplify this here. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So it is 8 and here it is 2 1s are 2 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into 1 by 2. Okay. So S16 is equals to 8 into 2 plus 15 1s are 15. So 15 by 2 I am going to write. Now these both I am going to simplify now. So what you will get? Here it is LCM is 2. Okay. So 1 into 2. So I am going to remove LCM for this. So it is in the denominator 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So S16 is equals to 8 into 2 2s is 4 plus 15 by 2. S16 is equals to 8 into. Now, how we are going to write this now? 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 by 2. Okay. Now, next is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So, S16 is equals to 19 4s is how much? 76. Okay. 19 4s is 76. So, S16 terms are 76. So, sum to 16 terms of an AP is 76. This completes the proof.